Here we go. I'm gonna clean this solar panel here, one-handed, with my solar panel cleaning brush here on the roof. You can see the difference solar panel cleaning makes, and this is going to make huge difference in efficiency. Now, we're not using just any kind of water. We're using deionized water. So, as you can see here, scrubbing it clean. And look at the one to the right and the one to the left as we scrub it clean. You can see what a difference solar panel cleaning makes. And some of our customers have reported as much as 20 to 30% higher production. Some cases, extreme cases where they never clean it at all. And then finally they call us, it's been upwards of 50%. Anyways, look at the finished product there. And that's what we do. And then I'll give you an after picture of all these solar panels when we're done.